What's up, folks? Here I just got my recent comic book order from the Comic Blessing, one of the vendors that I support on Whatnot, where you get some excellent deals. Let's see what we got in this batch today. Some good ones. Some good ones. Alright, let's see what we got first. First we got The Hanley Wonder Woman Unbound, the curious history of the world's most famous heroine. This is like a novel with pictures and stuff about Wonder Woman. If you've never seen more informative about Wonder Woman than in Wonder Woman Unbound, pick that up. Then we got this one here, The Incredible Hulk, Hide in Plain Sight. A familiar foe returns, more foul than ever. Then we got here World War Hulk Warbound. That's a nice one. World War Hulk is over, but the after smash has just begun. Here's a good one. This one, Futures End Volume 1. Futures End Volume 1. Here's another Hulk. Transfer of Power. Hulk on the run again. Here's another one. Return to Planet Hulk. Hulk Smash. This one has a little marker there, but I like it. Here's a nice hardcover of Indestructible Hulk, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Hulk for Hire. Here we have one of my old-time favorite characters. When I was younger, it reminded me of Bruce Lee, brother and sister. Marvel Universe greatest fighters return to a world of death and destruction he thought he left behind. Fighter, not fighters. And then sealed, I am Batman. Look at that, baby. The age of a new Dark Knight starts here. Let me know what you think about that collection and any other. And don't forget to check me out on Whatnot, where I'll be selling comics, games, cards, etc. Later.